Friends, why did you not start? Thank you. Friends, it's been some time and few developments have taken place which we thought we must discuss. One very important phenomena at this moment is the war between Armenia and Azerbaijan. India is not supposed to be party to anyone, but still many say India has a deep interest. Pakistan is openly supporting Azerbaijan. Russia is supposed to, but not yet seen. But Israel is supporting Azerbaijan by supplying weapons. The reason why it became necessary to discuss today was we also have a situation on both on the Western Front and Northeastern Front, wherein we have border disputes going on. And if all those who are supposed to support each other are available and actually supporting, then the battle between Armenia and Azerbaijan should have ended by now. But it's been 10 days. 10 days, both sides have lost heavily, but most important factor is it is the civilian population which is getting affected on both sides. Why? The question we are raising today and we have come here to discuss is we are part of a society where a war can take place anytime. On our borders also, on both sides, the war clouds are heavy and there are supposed to be teams who are supporting. There is a team called Quad which is supposed to support us on the China border, and we expect that same team and many others will join us on our Western Front also. But question we are raising is Azerbaijan and Armenia, initially many intellectuals said are fighting a religious war because Armenia is predominantly a Christian country and Azerbaijan is predominantly a Muslim country. But that thing has been rejected by the reality on the ground. The reality is Iran is ready to support Armenia and Rus is supposed to support Armenia, but West is Israel is supporting Azerbaijan. Therefore, it cannot be a religious war. If Iran is going to support Armenia, which is a predominantly Christian country, and Israel is supporting Azerbaijan, which is predominantly a Muslim country, then it is not a religious war. If so, what are the interests? And that is critical from India's point of view also. Israel has commercial interest with Azerbaijan. Turkey has religious interest with Azerbaijan. Therefore, Azerbaijan is getting support both from fundamentalist groups, the Pakistan and Turkey, but Armenia also is getting support from Iran, and still the war is going on for 10 days. Two major powers who should have by now stopped in the war have not shown much interest Russia, old partner of both Azerbaijan and Armenia, has a military pact with Armenia to safeguard Armenian interest. But because the battle is going on somewhere else, ethnic Armenians are there, but Armenia is not the Armenian ground as such. The Russia is not there and America is not there, and two nations are fighting and their populations are suffering. The question we are raising, is it that these people, two countries, Armenia and Azerbaijan, have been given to understand that you fight, we will come, and they are fighting and losing their population and military power? And if so, what will happen to the future wars? Taiwan, India, maybe other countries in the world, where the commercial interest and political interest may clash to the extent that some may get support from the fundamentalists, because fundamentalists go only on the religious basis, but so-called supporters, anti-religious group may not be there because their commercial interests may not be there. Therefore, the question which we are trying to raise is it not that India should review its future strategy keeping these observations in view? Nations may be claiming that they have trouble, but we must not forget they have had their vested interests also. For example, America was supplying arms to Pakistan till quite some time back. America was supporting China in every venture till Corona came. Today, Corona has affected even the President of America, and thousands killed and lakhs affected, and still America is only saying something but not seeing any action. Therefore, the question is, all those planning to go for war, or please think twice. In modern world, the alignments are based on commercial interests and not on political or religious parts. India does not have religious tie-up with anyone. India's commercial interests are also not wide. Therefore, India should be cautious before going to war, whether India can depend on others or not depend on others. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat. God bless all.